Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on the PlayStation app. Really easy and simple to do this, guys. So first things first, of course, you're going to go ahead and launch the app on your smartphone and log into your PlayStation Network account, okay? And on the home screen, you just want to tap on the search icon or just look for the QR code scanner option in the menu, okay? It's often near the top of the screen or integrated into specific account setup or redeem sections, okay? And if this is actually your first time using the QR scanner, the app will ask you for permission to access your camera. Just approve this to actually proceed, okay? And then later, what you want to do is you need to position your camera over the QR code. So just go ahead and align the QR code within the scanner frame, and the app will automatically detect and process the code. And depending on the code, you'll be redirected to a specific page, such as account setup, a redeemable voucher, or exclusive content. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.